Dinos are on the rampage throughout the world. From Tokyo to London, dinos are terrorizing citizens. It is estimated that over 100,000 people have died due to this extreme event. Scientists believe that the dinos originated from a genetic engineering laboratory in Egypt. If you haven't seen one yet, expect one.
Here's our first physics concept. You see, when the ball is hit to the next player, it travels along a curved path. Projectile motion is defined as a form of motion in which an object or particle is only being acted on by the force of gravity. So, if the ball didn't have gravity acting upon it, it would travel in a straight line. The gravity compels the ball to travel on a curved path. Free fall. When the ball fell from the tree, it traveled in a straight line, unlike projectile motion. Free fall is when an object has a downward acceleration of 9.8 meters per second. In other words, when the gravity is the force acting on the object. However, unlike projectile, the object only has a vertical component to its path. Projectile has a horizontal and vertical component. When the girls change from zero displacement to acceleration and eventually running, this is motion. Motion is defined by its velocity with the direction. Inertia also comes into play here. Inertia is the tendency for an object to resist changes in the state of motion. Therefore, when they stop running, it takes them a while to come to a complete stop. This is an example of both work and friction. Work is when a force acts on an object and there is a displacement from the point of application in the direction of the force. This is an example of work because Allie is applying a force to the log, and the log is moving in the direction of the force. This is also an example of friction. Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving against another object. Allie pushing the log is an example of friction because when Allie pushes the log resists Allie's force. However, Allie is applying a force big enough to overpower the log's resistance, and therefore the log moves.
This is what we're going to do. Allie, you're going to distract him.
Alright. Okay, I'll do that.
And then me and Kayla are going to run. Okay?
I'll do it for you.
I have faith in you.
Oh God.
You can't get it, Jennifer!
No! Andy screaming, "No!" is an example of sound waves. Sound is a mechanical vibration that travels through the air in forms of waves. When these waves reach the ear, they can be heard because of the changes in pressure the ear detects. When Andy screams, she is creating the sound waves that travel through the air, and everyone's ears detect the change in pressure the waves create, and they hear Andy's screams.
Kayla, watch out for the tree!
Collision! Someone call 911! Just kidding, but that was a collision. When Kayla collided with the tree, she experienced an elastic collision. An elastic collision is when objects bounce off of each other. It is said that in all collisions, momentum is conserved, meaning that the momentum a body had before a collision is the same as the amount of momentum after the collision. Momentum refers to how much motion an object has. Oh no! Kayla's glasses fell off and she ran into a tree! Kayla's nearsighted, which means she cannot see things far away. The lenses in her glasses alter the direction of light rays to focus light properly into the retina. Without her glasses, she will not be able to see well. When the ball fell from the tree, a vertical component.
You have to do it over anyway.
Breaking news! Dinos are on the rampage throughout the world. From Tokyo to London, dinos are terrorizing citizens. It is estimated that over 100,000 people have died due to this extreme event. Scientists believe that the dinos originated from a genetic engineering laboratory.
Reflection.
Redo that.
Yeah, we'll have to redo that one. You see the reflection?
Okay.
Allie! I will come up and hug you.
No, it looks like you got a bunch of guts.
You're putting that in the video.
It's not even that much.